Good afternoon. We represent the University of Advanced Studies. We will talk to ten about requirements for payroll. My name is Graciela Garcia.
My name is Karen Alvarado.
My name is Leticia Salas.
My name is Sandra Karina Perez Ramirez.
Payroll. It is the essential document within labor relations is given to the workers, and in the detail of the salary he receives appears, along with the deductions that are practiced such wages, either by compulsory deductions marked by law, either or by other concepts such as advance payments or deductions for health insurance. Payroll has been and will be the subject of care companies in Mexico. As fulfilled, this requirement is very important for employers as they are the key to accountability workers to the Mexican Instituto Social Security and Secretary of Administration Tax. In Article 804 of the Federal Labor Law, it indicates that the employer has the obligation to preserve and exhibit in court documents payroll and receipts and profit sharing, vacation and Christmas bonuses. The requirements contained payrolls are: 1. Name of the pattern. 2. Federal taxpayer registration of employers and employers register with the Mexican Social Security Institute. 3. The period of weekly, bi-weekly, monthly payment, among others. 4. Full name of the worker. 5. Federal tax code and the worker only the population register. 6. Date worker's income, length of day and type of Mexican Social Security Instituto salary. 7. The days worked or the time unit agreed. 8. The daily quota wage and salary contribution base. 9. Perceptions and deductions arising from the employment relationship, legal and contractual. 10. Net cash received by the worker and his signature. For each proof of payment must complete the obligation to issue a digital tax receipt which must contain the following requirements: Federal Taxpayer Registry Employer, name of the employee, Federal Taxpayers Registry Employee, total amount of perceptions, amount of retentions, Social Security contributions, payment method, tax system that taxed the pattern, the total amount in letter La expression. It is paid in a single payment form in which payment, check, wire transfer, cash, etc. was performed place of issue of the voucher. Unique population registry code type regime. Mandatory to indicate the key rate by which you have hired the worker requirement under catalog published by the Secretary of Tax Administration. Payment date. Effective date of the disbursement. Start date to mark the day that begins the payment period. Final payment due date to mark the final day of the pay period. Number of days paid. Frequency of payment. Supplement payroll tax receipts. Proof of graduation by wage version. The first thing you need to know to payroll is the data of the worker, date of payment, remuneration, deductions. The following table shows the daily report of all employees, where we realize that each employee has the stipulated activities that have to perform. Here tells us about your payments, overtime, breaks and deductions. In this picture we see the average calculation of fortnight, sample period of days per month, days worked, types of discounts that apply, among others. Configuration similar to wages. Here we need to know the frequency of payment and analysis of the calculation of income tax, create an accumulator, create formulas, create concepts, perceptions assimilated, high of employees and configuration. Payroll. This table tells us in detail the procedure mentioned. This other table shows us how you can differentiate the payment of commission and regular. To commission, the window is individual because not all employees are paid a commission, and regular is the general window and that most are paid well, and that option and enter the deductions and benefits are given equally to other employees. Below are two programs used in business to calculate the payroll, with its benefits offered each show. TRES program, which offers the following benefits: 1. Control. 2. Courses. 3. Decision analysis. 4. Platform. 5. Services for employees. 6. Production. Accounting System Integrator 1. Meets available to issue electronic receipts, payroll, Internet Digital Tax Receipt, CFDI. 2. Facilitates managing your payroll. 3. These day workers with your employer obligations. 4. You have the certainty of the calculations of the Mexican Institute of Social Insurance Institute and National Housing Fund are correct. 5. Easily adept at handling payroll. 6. Streamlines query information from your payroll. 7. It is very easy to use. 8. Save time by integrating it with other processes.
Thank you for your attention.